iOS 17.5.1 Jailbreak Possibility and Security Issues. What you need to know. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hot topic of iOS 17.5.1 Jailbreak Possibility and its security issues. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the jailbreak possibility for iOS 17.5.1. Jailbreaking your device can give you more control and customization options, but it also comes with risks. Currently, there is no public jailbreak available for iOS 17.5.1, but the jailbreaking community is always working on finding new exploits. Now, let's address the security concerns. With each new iOS update, Apple aims to enhance security and protect user data. However, no system is entirely secure, so it's essential to stay informed about potential security issues and take necessary precautions to protect your device. To ensure your device's security, regularly update your iOS software, avoid downloading apps from unknown sources, and enable two-factor authentication. By following these best practices, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to security threats. Also, if your device's iOS version supports the Jailbreak tool, you can jailbreak your device and install security patches from a package manager app like Cydia or Cilio. Here is the iOS 17.5.1 jailbreak compatibility of publicly available jailbreak tools. unc0ver Jailbreak. iOS 11, iOS 14.8 unc0ver is a semi-untethered jailbreak, requiring an app to reapply the exploit after a reboot. The tool is capable of jailbreaking nearly every iOS device on firmware version 11.0 up to 14.8, excluding iOS 12.5.6, 12.5.7. Taurine Jailbreak. Taurine is a semi-untethered jailbreak, requiring an app to reapply the exploit after a reboot. The tool is compatible with jailbreaking all devices on iOS, iPadOS versions 14.0 to 14.8.1. Odyssey Jailbreak. Odyssey is also a semi-untethered jailbreak. The tool is compatible with jailbreaking devices on iOS, iPadOS versions from 13.0 to 13.7. Chimera Jailbreak. Chimera is a semi-untethered jailbreak. It can jailbreak all devices running iOS 12.0 to 12.1.2 and A7 to A11 devices running iOS 12.0 to 12.5.7. Taurine Jailbreak. Taurine is a semi-untethered jailbreak. The tool is compatible with jailbreaking all devices on iOS, iPadOS versions 14.0 to 14.8.1. Cydia Jailbreak. Cydia A15 is a semi-untethered jailbreak. This tool requires an app to reapply the exploit after a reboot. Cydia A15 only supports A12 and newer devices on iOS 15.0 to 15.4.1. Anamine Jailbreak. iOS 15, iOS 16.5.1. Dopamine Jailbreak. iOS 15, iOS 16.5.1. Dopamine is a semi-untethered jailbreak. This tool requires an app to reapply the exploit after a reboot. Dopamine supports all iOS 15.0 to 16.5 devices, A14 and earlier devices, M1 chip devices on iOS 16.5.1 and A11 and earlier devices on iOS 16.6 to 16.6.1. Chekra1 Jailbreak, iOS 14 and up, on iOS A7, A11. Paleron Jailbreak is a work-in-progress jailbreak tool that was compatible with A11, iPhone X, and earlier devices on iOS 15.0 or later, with some limitations for A11 devices. So now you know that iOS 17.1 cannot be jailbroken with the latest tools, but you are lucky. There is a chance to install tweaked apps and games on iOS 17.5.1. All you have to do is install eSign patch software and download the free certificate that is globally available. Then, self-sign the tweaked IPA files and install the IPA file onto your device. The eSign iOS software link is in the description. Also, the free certificate files are there. That's a wrap for today's video on the possibility of jailbreaking iOS 17.5.1 and security issues. If you found this information helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.